Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily recover data from an SSD drive. You either have lost that data by mistake or you've deleted it and now you want to recover it, then this video will show you how to do it.
In the recovery, just open iFind Data Recovery, and as a next step you want to choose File Recovery. Click on it and you will need to wait. Next step, all the hard disk and devices available or plugged to your computer should appear. In my case, I have here device 1, 2, 3. Next to each one there is a letter, but also I can see the total size. So here I have 236 giga, here 931, and here 1.85. So I will choose the letter E, the 1.85, just to make sure we're selecting the correct device. So here I can see it. I chose partition, that's the wrong one. So as I said, the size, that's the wrong size. This is the right size, 1.86, and it's E. Click on it to scan and wait. Here it should show you all the available files, documents that you want to recover. Personally, if I want to recover a picture, a video, or any kind of document, I would just click on it, select it. For example, this document is 149. However, we will need to wait until the scan is over. So here it shows 45 and it's still progressing. So here we do have it. So lost files, click on it and select the type of files that you want to recover. I want to recover PNG documents, so I'm going to select this one. You can select the integrity of documents to recover. But as I said, I want to recover just specific one, and the process is the same. I'll select this one, 64, trying to figure out, and this is the document, and I will click recover. I have chose only one document so that the video is not long and so that you can carry on by yourself in fast way, since the process is the same for all type of documents. Click recover. Here you must select another location where you should store the recovered file. So I will choose data and I will select folder. We will refresh and here it shows under recovered files, lost name files, PNG, and here I have my document fully recovered. We're waiting for it to load. This is applicable to any type of document: video, pictures, WinRAR files, zip files, etc. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.